we defined a polynomial p of x to be a function that was a whole bunch of powers of x added together. And we saw how to add and subtract polynomials, and now we will look at an example where we multiply polynomials. But first, let's remind ourselves of the distributive property that says c times a plus b, where we add first and then multiply, is the same as c times a plus c times b. Let's use this in our example, where we compute 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 times the polynomial x squared minus 2. Distributing, we have that our c here is the whole polynomial 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 1. Our a is x squared and our b is minus 2. So distributing, we have that polynomial times x squared plus that polynomial times negative 2. Now to compute each of these, we need to distribute again. First we have to distribute x squared to our polynomial, and then we have to distribute negative 2 to our polynomial. Doing this, we get 2x cubed times x squared is 2x to the fifth, minus 3x squared times x squared is minus 3x to the fourth, 5x times x squared is plus 5x cubed, and 1 times x squared is just x squared. That takes care of the first polynomial times x squared. Now we have to do the polynomial times negative 2. Distributing here, we have 2x cubed times negative 2 is minus 4x cubed. Minus 3x squared times negative 2 is plus 6x squared. 5x times negative 2 is minus 10x, and 1 times negative 2 is negative 2. So multiplying these all out, we're left with 2x to the fifth minus 3x to the fourth plus 5x cubed plus x squared minus 4x cubed plus 6x squared minus 10x minus 2. Note that the 8 terms here come from each of the 8 combinations of multiplying a term from the first polynomial by a term from the second polynomial. This means that we do not need to write out the full distribution every time, but it's good to know that it is happening in the background. And we can simplify this big polynomial by adding the like terms. We have 2x to the fifth, and x to the fifth does not show up anywhere else in our polynomial, so we can't simplify there. Similarly, we have minus 3x to the fourth, and x to the fourth does not show up anywhere else, so we can't simplify here either. But 5x cubed minus 4x cubed is just x cubed, and x squared plus 6x squared is 7x squared. Then we're left with minus 10x minus 2. So we can conclude that the polynomial multiplication 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x plus 1 times the polynomial x squared minus 2 gives the new polynomial 2x to the fifth minus 3x to the fourth plus x cubed plus 7x squared minus 10x minus 2.